Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your PC without using a USB receiver. First, look at the top navigation bar on your PC and click on the Quick Settings icon, where you'll see options like Wi-Fi, sound, and Bluetooth. Click on the Bluetooth option to make sure it's turned on. Click on the right arrow next to Bluetooth to view the list of available Bluetooth options and connected devices. Click on Bluetooth Settings to open the full Bluetooth settings page. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, click on Add Device. A new window will appear with different connection options. Select Bluetooth to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now, make sure your Bluetooth mouse is turned on and in pairing mode. After a few seconds, your PC will detect the mouse, and you'll see it appear in the list as BT mouse or with its device name. Simply click on the BT mouse from the list. Your computer will begin pairing with the mouse, and within a few seconds, you'll see a message confirming that the device has been connected successfully. That's it. Your Bluetooth mouse is now connected without using a USB receiver. You can move the cursor, click, scroll, and use the mouse just like any other connected device. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials.